Now that you've reviewed some of the things that we've learned about ukuleles and some of the chords, we're going to look at a new song today that uses a chord that we're familiar with and a new chord as well called the F chord. Now, this song is called Deo, and it's originally from the Caribbean and really from Jamaica. And what it is about, it's a work song, which means it's something that workers would sing when they're working together to keep them all at a steady beat doing their work in a really efficient way. And this one is put together as a call and response song. Now, this one, the specific example of the work that they were doing is that they are gathering bananas to be able to be shipped out. But in Jamaica, it is really hot during the day, especially when they were gathering these bananas, so instead they will work during the night. So how the song goes, it says, Day-o, day-o, which was the call, the first part. Then the response from the other workers goes like this. Daylight come and me wanna go home. Because when the daylight came, it meant that their work shift was almost done since they worked all the way through the night. Day-o, day-o, daylight come and me wanna go home. It also sings about some other things that they would experience. So, come on, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana, which meant Tallyman was the person who was going to check how many bananas that they had and how many they were going to ship out. And once they do that, then they know that they'll be able to go home. Other things like 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot bunch, which is like these huge bunches of bananas, and other things that they experienced while they were working. But you'll kind of notice that there's always this call and response, and what keeps coming back is daylight come and me wanna go home. Now this song actually uses two chords. It uses the C7 chord, which was the white dot, the very first one that we learned how to play with our first finger there. And it also uses the F chord, which was an A minor chord. Then you added another finger to it, and it was the green dots. We're going to review how to play those a little bit more tomorrow, but you can also check these out on a website that'll be coming up after the Deo video that you can go watch, where you can explore how to play some of those different chords on ukulele and be able to digitally, virtually strum on them and everything like that. Also, after the Deo video, when you're on that website, feel free to check out some things called ukulele tabs and different songs that have chords that you can play. You'll also notice that there are all the different letter names for the chords, but there'll be things under them like MIN for minor or major or the sevens, and you can explore what all of those would look like and sound like as well. So go ahead, click on over, listen to our song Deo, and then explore that ukulele website for a little bit more fun. I'll see you on the other side.